Hi, my name is Siti Nurhafika binti Muhammad Budi. My matrix number is 825B4497. I will present the problems and solution of mini washing machine. The problem faced by users of this mini washing machine is limited washing capacity, as users can only wash a small number of clothes at one time. This results in repeated washing cycles, leading to waste time and effort. To address these problems, we should improve by offering flexible capacity and more efficient drum system, allowing users to wash more clothes without increasing the machine size. Secondly is weak washing performance is another common complaint, where some mini washing machines struggle to remove tough stain effectively, especially on heavily soiled clothing. The solution for this problem is using a more powerful yet energy efficient motor. It can enhance washing performance while reducing electricity consumption. Thirdly is ineffective drying function, which causes clothes to take a long time to dry, particularly in humid weather conditions. To solve this problem, we need to adding a stronger spin dry function. It can help remove excess water and shorten drying time. The fourth problem is low product durability, as many washing machines may break down easily due to low quality motor or material. We should using high quality material and long-lasting component to reduce breakdown and improve customer trust. The fifth problem is excessive noise and strong vibration during operation, which can be disturbing, especially in small living spaces. The solution is applying noise reduction and anti-vibration technology. It can ensure quieter operation and greater user comfort. Lastly, is unclear or complicated user instruction make it difficult for first-time user to operate the machine correctly and safely. The solution is providing clear, user-friendly manuals with visual guides can help customer understand how to use the product correctly.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Adana Natasha binti Mahadi. My matric number is 8248360. I will be presenting the competitive advantage of portable mini washing machine. Portable mini washing machine are a practical solution for a modern household with a limited space and budget. Their compact and lightweight design makes them easy to place in a small apartments, dormitories, or even bring during travel. Compared to normal washing machines, they use less water and electricity, helping to reduce utility bills and protect the environment. These machines are ideal for washing small goods such as baby clothes and delicate fabrics and require minimal installation. Overall, portable mini washing machines offer flexibility and convenience that normal washing machine cannot provide.
Hello everyone, I'm Pavin Taran Sadamanan. My matric number is A24B2961. Today I'll be talking about SWOT analysis for mini washing machines, especially the strength and weaknesses part. The strengths are mini washing machines are compact, affordable and perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms or RVs. They are easy to use, require minimal setup and have low energy and water consumption, making them great for budget conscious and environmentally aware users. The weaknesses are their small load capacity makes them unsuitable for larger households or heavy laundry needs. They also have less washing power compared to full-size machines, which can affect cleaning performance. Additionally, their lighter construction may reduce durability and slower spin, making the drying time increase.
My name is Pravina. My matrix number is 824833371. Opportunities. The demand for compact household items is rising because many students now live in shared housing with limited space. At the same time, people are becoming more interested in environmentally friendly appliances that save energy and reduce harm to the environment. The growth of e-commerce sites makes it easier for students and households to compare, buy, and receive these products conveniently online. Threats. There is strong competition from conventional washing machines that are already familiar and trusted by customers. The market is also crowded with cheap, low quality alternatives, making it hard for new products to stand out. In addition, changing customer preferences for smart appliances and economic changes can affect how much people are willing to spend.
Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Adriana Adlin. My matric number is A24A3100. Today, I will explain the strengths of our portable mini washing machine and how it supports its unique selling proposition. This product is designed to be compact and portable, making it perfect for people living in small spaces such as students, singles, and apartment residents. Its small size allows users to place and use it easily without needing a large area. Another key strength is its energy and water efficiency. This helps users save on utility costs while also being more environmentally friendly. In addition, the machine is very easy to use and set up. Even first-time users can operate it without difficulty, making it convenient and hassle-free. Overall, these strengths support the product's USP by offering a practical, flexible, and efficient laundry solution for modern lifestyles. Next, I will explain the weaknesses and threats of the product and how they can be managed. Although the portable washing machine has limited capacity and cleaning power, this can be addressed by focusing on its intended use, such as washing daily clothes, baby clothes, and delicate fabrics. Improvements in motor strength and spin dry functions can also help enhance performance and reduce drying time. In terms of durability and competition from low quality imitations, these issues can be managed by using better materials and offering product warranties. Lastly, although smart appliances may pose a threat, this can be overcome by adding simple smart features like timers and power saving functions without increasing costs significantly. Overall, these improvements help strengthen the product's competitiveness in the market.
Good day everyone, my name is Tanusini Murugan. My APK number is A24A3255. So today I'm going to present about opportunities and USP alignment. Our mini washing machine USP is compact size, affordable and low water and energy use. This feature matches current market opportunities. Urbanization has increased demand for space-saving appliances, especially in apartment and shared homes. Students and young adults also prefer affordable and portable solutions. In addition, growing environmental awareness supports our eco-friendly design. The rise of e-commerce further helps us reach more customers easily. In conclusion, the mini washing machine meets modern need for convenience, affordable and small living spaces. Its strength aligns well with current market trend, giving it strong growth potential in a niche market.